Which foods to avoid with kidney disease? The kidneys are one of the essential organs of our body, which helps in filtering blood, produces hormones, and helps in passing out waste from the body, and aids in maintaining fluids and minerals. Kidney disease is commonly seen in patients suffering from chronic medical conditions like diabetes, high blood pressure, heart diseases, alcoholism, HIV patients, and hepatitis C viral infections. During kidney disease, the kidneys cannot produce the essential requirements for the body and result in malfunction, so it's better to choose a diet which includes foods that do not result in the accumulation of wastes within the body. Let's dive in to find out the foods which you should avoid with kidney disease. Avocados are typically very healthy and nutritious, but for people who are on a renal diet, they need to avoid them. Avocados have excess potassium in them, which is strictly restricted for patients who suffer from kidney disease. Tomatoes are rich in potassium, which is why they are not indicated in the renal diet. They are present in different sauces, stews, and salads, and many other foods. It is better to choose another alternative, for example, low in potassium content, that offers you with a great taste and flavor. Sweet potatoes and regular potatoes are loved by every one of us, but unfortunately, if you are suffering from kidney disease, you need to avoid them as they are also rich in potassium. However, if you soak them in water, it can reduce some potassium content from these vegetables. You can also peel off the potatoes and boil them for 10 to 15 minutes, which aids in reducing their potassium content by 50%. Whole wheat bread is usually considered a perfect option for people who are on a healthy diet, but in the case of patients suffering from kidney disease, white bread is usually advised. It is because whole wheat bread has excess content of fiber, potassium, and phosphorus, which makes it difficult for the kidneys to remove the waste content. Other than potassium and phosphorus, bread, whether whole wheat or white bread, has a high content of sodium, which is why it is essential to compare food labels on different breads. Dairy products are usually considered a healthy diet option as they are rich in nutrients and vitamins. They are perfect for strong bones and muscles and serve as the natural source of proteins, phosphorus, and potassium. It is because of this reason that dairy products are restricted for patients on the renal diet, as they can result in a damaging effect over the kidneys due to high potassium content. If the kidneys are not functioning properly, they can result in a buildup of potassium and phosphorus within the blood, which can ultimately weaken the bones and result in bone fracture. Dairy products are also rich in proteins, which can result in excess protein content within the blood, due to which they're restricted on the renal diet. You can choose healthy alternatives like almond milk, unenriched rice milk, which serves as the perfect substitute for patients on a renal diet. Processed and canned foods have a strong link leading to chronic diseases, and they serve as an unhealthy food option for all of us, especially patients suffering from kidney disease. Processed and canned foods have excess salt to improve taste, which further helps in preserving flavor. Processed foods are rich in proteins, which makes them difficult for the kidneys to remove the protein buildup. Bananas, along with different tropical fruits except pineapple, should be completely avoided when you are on a renal diet. It is because bananas and tropical fruits are rich in potassium but have less sodium, due to which it is restricted for patients suffering from kidney disease.